Union Minister for Public Health, Government of Maharashtra, Sri Rajesh Tope ji, respected Sri Nimish Maheshwari, MD, Navbharat, respected Dr. Pandurang Kadam, MD, Sankalp Group, distinguished awardees of today's function and other members present here. A very good evening to all of you. It is a matter of great pride and honor for me to be addressing this august gathering of health sector stalwarts who have come forward and delivered selfless services to the citizen of the country. The moment we heard this word doctor, it automatically generates respect towards that person because you are the life giver. All of us remember that in the initial days of this COVID-19 pandemic, when no one was aware about the disease, and at that time no specific treatment was available. Even I will say this various precautionary kits were also not available. Even in those circumstances, all of you have come forward, undertook the great pain and jumped into the battle of saving life of individuals. All of us are witness of those horrible days when you serve the nation relentlessly. So as bankers of every Indian, it is our constant endeavor to partner this fraternity in all aspects across the country. During those days, I remember we were hearing this story. Many of you have not gone to your home for several days. And that shows the dedication and devotion. In the pandemic era of today, the doctors and health workers have valiantly battled the ever dangerous virus, and I will say you have won the battle. You have saved lakhs of lives. It is your perseverance and commitment which has resulted in the fastest development and invention production of vaccine that mankind has ever witnessed. The tireless efforts of our doctors and their support staff saved numerous lives. No award or recognition can match this or your services. We also pay homage to our friends who lost their lives in saving mankind. We will always be indebted to all of them. At SBI, we also played our role in taking care of our fellow citizens in providing economic support, whether it is businessman or individual or anybody who we always come forward and providing these banking services to citizens during this pandemic period. When the lockdown was going on, we also available in our workplaces serving the customers, taking risk of this pandemic. So we can understand the pain taken by you and your commitment towards mankind. On this note, ladies and gentlemen, I will again like to put on record my heartfelt gratitude as a human being to the medical fraternity who have put everything at the stake to make our lives better. Thank you and congratulations once again to all the awardees who are present here. Thanks.